Did you know you can grow an entire garden from just one plant? From turning kitchen scraps into herbs, to transforming a single leaf into a lush green monster, plant propagation isn't just for experts, it's for everyone. Today, we'll explore simple, science-backed hacks to multiply your plants using cuttings, seeds, division, and even water rooting. Stick around. You'll never look at your plants the same way again. Let's start with the basics. Propagation means creating new plants from existing ones. There are several methods, and choosing the right one depends on the plant type. Main types of propagation: cuttings, using a stem, leaf, or root to grow a new plant. Seeds, the traditional way, great for vegetables and flowers. Division, splitting a mature plant into smaller parts. Layering, letting a stem root while still attached to the parent. Offsets, pups, small baby plants growing around the mother. In this video, we'll go step by step into the easiest and most successful hacks for each method. Let's begin with one of the easiest and most popular ways: cuttings. Plants you can propagate from cuttings: pothos, monstera, snake plant, mint, basil, lavender, ZZ plant leaf cuttings. Tools you'll need: clean scissors or pruning shears, water or soil, rooting hormone, optional, a clean glass jar or propagation tray. Steps to propagate from cuttings. Example, pothos. Cut 4-6 inches of a healthy stem just below a node. Remove the lower leaves. Place in water, ensuring the node is submerged. Place near indirect sunlight. Change the water every 2-3 days. Roots appear in 1-3 weeks. Transplant to soil when roots are 2-3 inches long. Pro tips: use cinnamon as a natural rooting hormone. Cover the glass with a plastic bag to create humidity. Always use sterilized tools to prevent disease. Yes, you can grow new plants from just a leaf. Best plants for leaf propagation: succulents like echeveria, jade plant, ZZ plant, snake plant, begonia, African violet. How to propagate succulents from a leaf. Twist off a healthy leaf from the base. Let it dry for 1-2 days until a callus forms. Lay it flat on top of dry soil. Mist lightly every few days. Tiny roots and a baby rosette will form in 2-4 weeks. Use a shallow container and cover with a transparent lid to trap humidity. It speeds up rooting. Let's talk about seeds. Nature's original blueprint. Best plants to grow from seeds. Easy for beginners: tomatoes, basil, sunflowers, marigolds, zinnias, cilantro, peas. Seed starting hack: the egg carton trick. Fill an egg carton with seed starting mix. Plant seeds 1/4 inch deep. Water gently. Cover with plastic wrap for a mini greenhouse effect. Place in a warm spot. Remove wrap once seedlings emerge. More seed hacks: soak hard-coated seeds overnight, like beans or peas. Use cinnamon or chamomile tea to prevent damping off fungus. Label your seedlings. Trust us, they all look the same at first. If you have a mature plant that's outgrowing its pot, it's time for division. Plants that thrive with division: snake plant, peace lily, spider plant, ferns, hostas, aloe vera, ZZ plant. Division hack: gently remove plant from the pot. Shake off excess soil. Look for natural clumps or baby plants. Use a clean knife to separate if needed. Repot into fresh soil. For offsets, like spider plants, cut off the baby spinnerets. Place in water until roots grow. Then transfer to soil. Wrap cut roots in moist paper towel if you're gifting them or storing before potting. Want to see roots in action? Water propagation is not only effective, it's mesmerizing. Best plants for water propagation: pothos, philodendron, monstera, spider plant, mint, basil. Hack: use a transparent glass so you can monitor root growth. Place in bright but indirect light. Change the water regularly to avoid algae. Add a drop of hydrogen peroxide to fight bacteria. Use aquarium water. It's full of natural nutrients that boost root growth. And there you have it. Multiple ways to turn one plant into many. Whether it's seeds, leaves, cuttings, or even water, you now have the hacks to grow your green space without spending a dime. Which method will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Like this video? Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell for more weekly plant wisdom.